Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss some simple geometry that you're most likely going to see on your CLT. So I'm just going to draw a quick problem, and it may look complicated for some people, but it's actually really easy, and that's why we're going to go ahead and break it down today. This one is 60, this is going to be 40 degrees for this angle, and we'll name this angle P. So what we're looking for is we're looking for angle P. And the simplest way to do this is we're going to look at this triangle specifically. And a triangle has 180 degrees. Ooh. Let's write this properly this time. 180 degrees total. From angle C plus angle B plus angle A is the normal format. With this one we're using P, but it's basically just a variable. 180 degrees. So you may be wondering, okay, but we don't have any angles in here at all. But what we do have is these angles out here. And these are called vertical angles. So vertical angles mean they equal the same. So let's say this is angle A, and this is angle B. Angle A equals angle B. So therefore, let's go ahead and draw a little triangle on this side. We're going to make basically this triangle, but flip it around kind of thing. Hopefully, actually that might be a little confusing, so I'm going to keep it the same format. Perfect. So there's our triangle, and then this is angle P. Same thing as this. So we can see this angle right here is 40. So that means this angle is also going to be 40. And then we see this angle here is 60, but again, these are vertical angles. So this one's also going to be 60. So now we have, let's say we'll call this angle B and angle C, these ones right here. And then we're looking for angle P. So how to do this, we're going to take 180 as the grand total, right? Because we know all of these angles have to equal 180. We're going to subtract 40 from it and subtract 60 from it, which we get from these two numbers. And then we're going to get 80 degrees left. 80 degrees are left. If you want to make it simpler, you can always add 40 plus 60 to get you 100, and then just take 180 minus 100, whatever is quicker in mental math for you. And then that's our answer for this problem. So we're going to go ahead and just do one more just so that I make sure that you guys really understand the concept. Again, very similar background. We got our little triangle here. And we're gonna be looking, this one's gonna be super easy. We're gonna be looking for angle C. And we're gonna be given that this one is 70 degrees and this one is 30 degrees. Once again, we know that these are vertical angles, which means this angle is gonna be the same as this angle. So therefore we know this one is 70 degrees. But how do we figure out what C equals to? Very simply, we know that a triangle once again equals to 180 degrees, and that is going to be this angle plus this angle plus this angle. So we know 30 plus 70 plus C. And all we want to do right now here is, what we could do is just add these up to give you 100, and then 180 equals plus C. Basic algebra, you can kind of add into this, and then you'll get, sorry, I just want to make it look as easy as possible. So get 80 equals C. And that is it for today.